Okay, guys, we're gonna teach you guys how to make curry. So first, wash a pot with hot water, or you can boil it. Cold water to hot water.
Wow.
Then get the rice cooker out, put the rice inside, set it up for an hour. After that, get chicken out, wash all the blood out, then put it in the pot. Boiling water too. Finally, put soup and potatoes. Get a bowl to eat curry in a spoon, but don't eat it yet. Potatoes, cut them out, but put them in the pot and boil it for 20 minutes. Put inside the bowl, then eat. This is the rice. This is the bowl. There's the rice falling out. This is the sink. This is water. This is the bowl. This is water, hot steamy water. This is the kettle. This is the kettle. This is the bowl with some curry inside, but not done yet. This is the spoon. This is the kettle. This is the pot, and it goes inside the pot. And they cut the meat, they cut the chicken, and put it inside there. I'm done, and I'm gonna tell you what I said. Okay, goodbye. Peace.